If you forgot a password for your Realme GT7 Pro, as you can see right here, I can't unlock my phone. We can try to perform a hard reset on this device, and this will delete all of your data on your phone, which means when you haven't made any backup, you will lose everything from your phone, and you will need to set up your phone all the way again. So now when we agree with that, we can press on the power button and volume up button together at the same time to power off our device. Hold it for around 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, and now when the screen goes off, we need to wait around 5 seconds to make sure that our device is fully shut down, after which we need to press and hold power button and volume down button together at the same time. Hold them until you can see the Realme logo. I'm gonna let go right now. And now we're in the boot menu. So you can use the touch screen if it works, but you can also use the volume down and volume up button to navigate, and click on the power button to select a specific language that you want to use. And then we need to go for format data. Enter the code that is visible on the screen and confirm the format. Now click on OK, and your device will either power off automatically, or you will need to select reboot device. Pardon me. Okay, so we have a first setup screen. Now we can move to the next step. Choose a language for your phone, and then region, and I'm gonna go through those settings as fast as possible until we get to our home screen. So there's one more thing right here. I think we can't skip the Wi-Fi connection. We can try. Yep, we need to connect to the Wi-Fi, so select whichever network you have and connect with it. I'm gonna do it off the camera. Okay, so I'm connected to my internet, and we can move to the next step. Let's not copy anything. And then it will ask you for your draw lock pattern or password, but we forgot it, so we're just gonna click on the X button, and instead of our lock screen, and now we can enter the email address and password for our Google account. So I'm gonna do it also off the camera. Next step is to add another Google account if you want, but we can skip it. And here's the unlock method, which means you can set up another lock screen on your device, but I'm gonna skip it. So here we are on our home screen after the setup. When we lock our device and try to unlock it, there's no password. And that is basically everything.